Welcome back to Auto Muse Leader Car, where we take you through the latest and greatest in automotive design, performance, and features. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Hyundai Palisade, and we're focusing exclusively on the exterior design of this family-sized SUV. From its bold stance to the finer design elements that make it stand out in the crowded SUV market. So let's get started. The front end of the 2025 Palisade is a statement on its own. It features a redesigned front fascia that enhances its bold and powerful look. The signature cascading grille is still there, but it's now wider and more aggressive, creating an imposing presence on the road. Surrounding the grille, you'll find sleek, high-tech LED headlights that have been reworked for a more futuristic appeal. They are sharper and slightly angular, which gives the Palisade a distinctive face, with integrated daytime running lights that make it unmistakable from a distance. Limited fitness to make in the changes to safety and security. One particular experience for James Pryor has reached the warehouse parking lot for the visitor's enjoyment. There's also a slight bulge in the center of the hood, giving the vehicle a more athletic and muscular appearance. There's also a slight bulge in the center of the hood, which not only looks good but adds to the vehicle's commanding presence. Moving to the side, the profile of the Palisade remains unmistakable, but it's now sleeker with more fluid lines than before. The overall silhouette is refined, with a continuous, elegant curve that starts at the front wheel arch and runs all the way to the rear, highlighting the SUV's long wheelbase. This design is not only visually appealing, but also functional, as it contributes to improved aerodynamics. Now the most striking feature on the side of the 2025 Palisade is its new wheel designs, which have been upgraded for a more premium look. Depending on the trim, you can expect either 20-inch or even 18-inch wheels. They sport a multi-spoke design that balances style and sophistication, while also adding to the overall sturdy and capable look of the SUV. These wheels are wrapped in all-season tires, perfect for a vehicle meant to tackle a wide range of driving conditions. Now let's talk about the rear end, which is where Hyundai really brings the modern tech-driven look into focus. The rear end of the 2005 Palisade has been redesigned with sharper lines. The tailgate features a new, more sculpted design with a sleeker, integrated spoiler that contributes to the vehicle's aerodynamic profile. The taillights have also been updated with a more contemporary look. They now feature a thin LED strip that runs along the edge of the rear bumper in the rear, a sophisticated, featuring a more defined shape. And at the corners, you'll notice chrome accents that provide a premium feel. The twin exhaust outlets are now slightly more prominent. They're integrated into the rear bumper for a cleaner look, and they provide a sense of balance and symmetry. The 2025 Hyundai Palisade is definitely a vehicle that commands attention. With its elongated proportions, it stands tall and proud, measuring at nearly 197 inches in length, and with a width of about 77.8 inches, it has a commanding road presence. Thanks to its clean, sharp lines and angular features, it's clear that Hyundai wanted to elevate the Palisade to a more premium level, and they've done just that with this redesign. Let's talk performance for a moment, because a vehicle this striking isn't just about looks. Under the hood, the 2025 Palisade carries over the same 3.8-liter V6 engine from the previous model, producing 291 horsepower. And paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, this powertrain ensures that the Palisade offers both smooth and powerful acceleration when you need it. And with the available all-wheel drive system or cruising down the highway, the Palisade is ready for a variety of terrains. Whether it's rain, snow, or even light off-roading, it's got the capability to keep you moving. Other features like the available roof rails provide functionality while complementing the SUV's rugged yet refined exterior design, adding extra versatility for carrying gear, while the overall design improvements, from the front grille to the tailgate, have refined the Palisade's aesthetics, balancing sophistication and strength. So there you have it. The 2025 Hyundai Palisade's exterior has received thoughtful updates, making it more aggressive, refined, and luxurious than ever before. Whether you're looking for a bold family SUV or a vehicle that makes a statement wherever it goes, the Palisade delivers. Be sure to stay tuned for more updates and reviews on the latest cars and SUVs right here on Auto Movies. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.